So we have an onion. Let's call this the root side, the hairy part, and this the tip. You should actually always keep the root on. That's going to keep the onion together. So what we're going to do, remove the tip. And again, I'm going to start on the tip, move downwards and forwards using the full length of the blade. Created a flat surface that also makes it safe. It doesn't roll anymore. Through the root, and again, tip, downwards and forwards. Knife comes in play. Remember, handheld work. I'm going to peel it. So I'm going to get that blade underneath the skin, put my thumb on the skin and just, as you can see, the root is still on. The tip of my blade, I'm going to get it in on an angle and I'm going to pull it out. In, out, in, out. The trick is to stay away like a finger thickness of the root. I'm going to make 2 horizontal cuts. Again, use length of that blade, right? Don't push that knife through that onion, use length. And now it's just a chopping motion. To dice an onion.